Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and I had zero intention of even doing another update on the boardwalk, but I had the drone with me and it was such a beautiful day, and like right now I'm watching the sunset. So I put the drone in the sky and then I noticed something weird, something that is missing on Mariner's Landing or Mariner's Pier. So let's go ahead and share with you the video of the boardwalk in Mariner's Pier. And then in the comment section, I want you to go ahead and comment what you think is missing or what's going on. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can make videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. Even though it's fall, we know you can't wait for Christmas, and so we're pleased to announce our new Christmas ornament for this winter. It's the Welcome to the Wildwood sign at Rio Grande when you come in. That is joining the other new one for this year, which is all the Wildwoods on one pole. I actually like this one better than the other one. Altogether, we've got 4 Christmas ornaments for you to check out on our Etsy page, and I'll put the link in the description below. Did you catch it? Let me know in the comment section. And I have to say, every time I do these videos, it's always weird to see the boardwalk without wood on it, which, as you can tell, is sitting on the beach right over, it's right over there. Sorry, I was going the opposite way. But I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey. I'll see you later. Bye.